Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset OPPO K13 Turbo Pro 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, incorrect password, please try again. Here you can see incorrect password, please try again. Okay, to do hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Now slide downward to power off the smartphone. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power button together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. And when the OPPO logo appears, release the buttons. Now here select language. Now here you can see it will send you in recovery. Format data, reboot device and power off is available. Tap on format data. So here you can see, please enter verification code. The verification code is 6771. Enter it, 6771. So you can see on bottom, all user data will be reset. Now tap on format. Okay, wiping, please wait. And you can see data formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset again ask for password, pin or pattern, use the Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset OPPO K13 Turbo Pro 5G smartphone really easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates.